Demons believe and shudder. Don't deceive me. Don't confuse me. That you are a believer. That you are a Christian. Anybody can claim to be a Christian. But a Christian is not by his action. Show me your Christianity by your action. For if I look at you and see no action, and see no work, your confession of faith is nothing. Praise the Lord. And I will show you my own Christianity by my action, by the things I do. I live my life according to the principles of the teachings of Jesus Christ. That is why I'm a Christian. I am a follower of the discipline. I am a follower of the teachings. I am a follower of the doings of Jesus Christ. I do my things. I live my life according to the principles of God's word. That is the essence of my faith in God. God did not call me to live in disobedience, but to live in obedience to his word.